Finally, we have made it to the gate.
Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Shilaka.
Hi, everyone.
My name is Abhi.
And this is Orla. We did not introduce
Oh,
her.
this is Orla. So today we are here to share our trekking experience of Kilimanjaro.
Only we both went. She did not go with us.
Yeah.
Maybe next time.
Yeah. So we started from Dubai. Actually, the most difficult part was finding us our right, tour operator. So one of my friend had recommended this company called Incredible Africa Adventures.
Yeah.
That's the team taken us to there, and we have booked a private tour. Like it's only for two of us.
I booked the ticket, fly Dubai, since we were traveling from Dubai. There is no direct flight to Kilimanjaro, so we booked via Zanzibar. So we went to Zanzibar first, and then we took a Tanzania Air to Arusha Airport. From Arusha Airport, they came to pick us.
We stayed in a hotel in Moshi. It's called Lintrin. So basically, our tour operator had already given a list what all things we must carry. We have done the shopping as per their list. But still, once you reach the hotel, they still check what all things you have. If something is missing, they will go rent it or they will arrange everything. And the next day, we started our trek. It was 7 days trek, and we have taken this Limosho route because it's for better acclimatization.
So the day when we arrived in the hotel, so we were already late. So otherwise we can go with them to rent it out, but they rented for us the things which were missing in our bag, and they only got us duffel bag and all those things. And then they did the welcome dance as well. The first day when we were supposed to start the trek, and there were almost 12 people with us, the team, and they were like 2 tour guide, and they were like chef also as well.
Yeah. So all these 12 people are actually
Exclusively actually working for us.
only for two of us. There would be a chef, the
Waiter was there, porters were there.
and one guy will be for the toilet and stuff. The porter will be carrying all our bags
Things,
and
yeah.
all.
The first day was very easy because we drive to the starting gate of Limosho, and we only trek for 3 to 4 hours maximum, and we reach our first base camp, which is a
Big Tree
camp.
Camp, yeah.
Big Tree Camp.
This is our first camp looks like. There are so many tents. You can see. So this is where people sleep today.
So we reached after 4 hours of trek, and it was quite a good one. We walked through rainforest. We saw some monkeys as well. There are 2 varieties of monkey.
That is the only animal we have seen in this trail.
This is our cruise tent, and this is our tent. We have a small dining table for lunch, dinner, and breakfast. Also, this is where we're gonna sleep with the sleeping bag, and our duffel bags are already arrived here. Hope we will have a good sleep.
First day was quite easy. We thought, oh, this is very easy. We can do it. It's so like, oh, it's going to be like this. We thought, but they told us like, जैसे जैसे हम लोग टाइम बढ़ता रहेगा वैसे वैसे ट्रैक काफ़ी हार्ड हो जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट डे हमने बहुत आसानी से कर लिया, और काफ़ी सुंदर व्यू था रास्ते में. और जैसे हम लोग अपने कैंप एरिया में पहुँचे, वहाँ पे बहुत सारे कैंप्स थे. एक्चुअली बहुत सारे लोग उस दिन ट्रैक कर रहे थे लिमोशो के थ्रू. और फिर हम जैसे अपने कैंप एरिया में पहुँचे, हमारा कैंप काफ़ी नीचे की तरफ था, और इतना हमारे कैंप के आगे जो था, मतलब हमारे टेंट के आगे कोई और टेंट नहीं था. इट वॉज लाइक एंड ऑफ दैट एरिया. सो वी हैड आवर प्राइवेट बाथरूम.
Kali for you too. Okay.
Okay.
Carry this everywhere we go.
Okay.
This is luxury. So how to use it? You just open it. You pull this lid here. You pull. You do whatever you want to do.
Like that also, and the open one also was private. हम गए, हमें चाय मिला जाते ही. चाय पिया, उसके बाद में हम लोग सनसेट देखने के लिए गए रेन फॉरेस्ट में. इट वॉज क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल. पूरा ट्रीज था, एंड वी सो द सनसेट, एंड देयर वाज नो नेटवर्क. सो अपेरेंटली द प्लेस वी वेंट फॉर सनसेट व्यू, देयर वाज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंटरनेट. हम आ गए अपने स्लीपिंग बैग के अंदर. फाइनली आज का दिन खत्म हो गया है.
Yes, I think outside is 12-13 degree. It's very cold here. And आज के दिन खत्म हो गया, कल देखेंगे. Good night.
Good night, guys.
If you want to buy any SIM card, go for Airtel. Vodafone network is not so great. Airtel you still have little bit of signals, some areas. So go for Airtel.
If you are only coming for the trek, you don't need that much of internet.
Yep.
And please carry so many power banks because there is no electricity. Like, so you will be needing something to charge your phone batteries, as well as you need a torch light at night, and sometimes you have to charge that as well. Otherwise, you have to buy the one with the batteries. But remember this, sometimes it's very cold, so you drain your batteries faster than normal.
So if you can carry solar, that is also fine. And
But please check before you carry the solar one, because we had a solar battery charger and it did not work well. When we came back, every night they do a test, like they check our oxygens, they check our temperatures and heartbeat, if everything is fine, because as we're gonna go more up, it will be like more difficult for the oxygen and the heartbeat.
you are just
oxygen
making
level.
sure you are fine to go for
yeah.
the next trip. So every night this is routine. They will keep checking your oxygen level and your heart rate. And day second, like we got up early, maybe 6 o'clock in the morning.
The morning they bring a bed tea.
We cannot take shower. So that option for 7 days, you don't think of taking shower. You can carry some wet wipes to clean up yourself.
And they give you hot water in the morning, so you can wash your face, you can wash your feet.
So we are in Moreland zone, and this is the trees called Areca. They have two species here, and this one is little taller one, and after we go further there will be another species which is smaller one, because there will be less oxygen, so they will be not able to grow that much, and there is not that much water as well.
Slow elevation. We are going pole pole, which means very slow steps, so that we can get a well acclimatization.
And the second day, the trekking was to Shira 1
Shira
or 2?
Camp 1 and Shira Camp 2. So people who do 8 days trek, they generally go to Shira Camp 1 and they stay there. But we went all the way to Shira Camp 2, so it was almost 17 kilometers of trek for our second day.
We have reached at Shira Camp 1. We'll do some fueling for our aeroplane,
Yeah.
and then
We'll
we'll start
fly.
our next destination. We'll fly to our next destination.
Oh yeah.
Which is Shira Camp 2. Like, there are people who are weaker than us. We will stay there, but because we are very stronger, so we'll go today to Shira Camp 2.
Don't forget, people do it for entire trip in 5 days also.
Yeah, they're more stronger and we are weaker than them.
Yeah.
आज का दिन थोड़ा मुश्किल था, यानी कि सेकंड डे है, बट बिकॉज हम लोगों ने काफ़ी ट्रैक किया. वी गॉट अप एट 6 AM. वी कुड नॉट गेट मच स्लीप एक्चुअली. यस्टरडे आज सो नहीं पाए हम लोग, मे बी बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग सो रहे थे स्लीपिंग बैग के अंदर एंड टेंट के अंदर. एंड देन सुबह 6 बजे उठ के हम लोगों ने खाना पीना करा और हम लोग निकल गए. हमने किया ऑलमोस्ट 7 किलोमीटर ट्रैक, ऑलमोस्ट 3.5-4 आवर्स में, लाइक 4 आवर्स, बिकॉज हमने बीच में रेस्ट भी लिया था थोड़ा टाइम. एंड देन अभी हम लोग शिरावन में रुके, वहाँ पे हमने खाया, लंच किया, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट, मतलब 1.5 आवर. एंड अब हमें जाना है शिरा कैंप 2 हमारे मंजिल की तरफ. और एंड दैट डे वी वॉक ऑलमोस्ट 40,000 स्टेप एंड वी बर्नड अराउंड 4,000 to 5,000 कैलोरीज.
Now Shira second camp is 6 kilometers away.
Okay.
So we're gonna move more forward there. We have almost covered 4 kilometers,
Yeah.
and 6 is more.
Yeah. So today total we will be covering 17 kilometers.
Second day you entered to Moland zone. Moland zone is like, it's not like a rainforest which is fully covered. So second day you have to carry so much of sunscreen. So better to carry sunscreen in your bags so that you can apply on your body, on your face, on your visible parts which you don't want to turn into black or burn. So you carry lot of sunscreen with you and always carry in your backpack.
We are at Shira 2 camp. Okay.
We always recommend you to carry basic needs, which is like maybe 2 or 3 liters of water and all these snacks, because all the during this hike you will feel slightly hungry and stuff, and you have to be hydrated well. So water is must. So about 10 kg or so you will be carrying by yourself, and your cameras or mobile phones, all these things.
Yeah, and you can carry so many of this vitamin C tablets or vitamin C, this water dissolvents, electrolytes, because you
electrolytes,
lose
yeah.
so much of energy and you need electrolytes and vitamin C. And then we were also taking Diamox, which is good for altitude sickness. And we started on day 1 only. We were taking one tablet in a day, like half in the morning after having our breakfast and half in the afternoon after having our lunch.
Yeah. So day 2 was slightly challenging. I mean, all this trek was a bit challenging. We have to practice for that. And day 3, I think that is a day for Lava Tower.
So we are going to Lava Tower. That's there. And it's 4600 meter elevation. And we're gonna go all the way from here to there. It may look very near, but it's almost more than 3 kilometers. It's gonna take maybe 1 to 2 hours to reach there.
It was a bit more tougher. And I think there is a Barranca.
बाद में.
It's after Lava Tower, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So day 3 we have to go to Lava Tower, which was almost 4000 meter elevated. Actually, it's a very important day for all the hikers and trekkers, because if you are successful in Lava Tower, not getting any motion sickness, altitude sickness, and you are not getting a very bad headaches and everything, it means you can survive in Uhuru Peak also, because it's kind of a test, and they always take you every day kind of to higher altitude, and then they bring you to down to sleep, so that every day we are facing that high altitude thing.
So body acclimatized well.
Guys, we have reached Lava Tower after 4.5 hours of trekking from morning. It was amazing. So tiring it is, but we were walking pole, slowly. Finally, we reached here. This is our half destination for today. We will be going to Barranco after this. Hope you all can do this. If we can do, anybody can do.
This tree, what you guys are seeing, this is very closer to Barranco camp, and this is an amazing view from here. This trail is so good, and especially this tree. Today is day 4, and we are going to climb Barranco Wall. The waterfall what you are seeing here, this is very close to Barranco Wall. There you can see Barranco Wall.
हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया धीरे धीरे चलने के लिए. वॉल काफ़ी बड़ी होने वाली है, ऑलमोस्ट 2 आवर्स लगते हैं क्लाइंब करने के लिए. लेट्स सी क्या होता है. और सारे क्लाइंबर्स पोर्टर सेम ही रूट फॉलो करते हैं, तो इट बिकम्स क्वाइट क्राउडेड आफ्टर सम टाइम. बट एनीवेज एवरीबडी इज गिविंग अस more power to go and climb the mountain.
Finally, we are on top of Barranco Wall. It was pretty tough, but we made it. Now our destination is there, you can see.
बरांको वॉल चढ़ने के बाद में ऐसे चलना तो बहुत ईजी लग रहा है. बस अब एक और पहाड़ चढ़ना है और फिर हम फाइनली होंगे करांगा कैंप. ये रहा वो पहाड़, फाइनली आ गया. देखने में इजी लग रहा है बट बहुत मुश्किल है. हम फाइनली पहुंच गए करांगा कैंप. अब हम लोग करेंगे रजिस्ट्रेशन और इसके बाद हम लोग करने वाले हैं डांस पार्टी, एंड रात को होगी टी पार्टी.
We are in the tent. So this is our kitchen. And this is our crew. And we are going to... What are we going to do?
Play the card and evening tea together.
Which game? We are going to play some card game.
तो मेरे फोन के पे बैठ गए क्या? हाँ.
So good morning everyone. Today is day 5 and we're gonna go to base camp, and today is the night when we're gonna climb Kilimanjaro, Uhuru Peak.
There is our base camp so far.
Maybe it looks near, but it's almost 2.5 kilometers away, and it will take us maybe 2 hours to reach there.
So getting ready for the hike, 5 layers on the top and 3 layers on the bottom.
It's 1 a.m. in the morning and we are going to Uhuru Peak. We started 12:30 and you can see that people are already there. We're gonna conquer Uhuru Peak today.
Yeah.
Let's go! Yay!
Yogi.
We are at elevation of 5,500 meters. We almost climbed Mount Everest camp. Now we are going to Uhuru Peak. And it was not easy, but it's not impossible. If we can do it, you can also. It's an amazing experience. We have been walking only in elevation from last 4-5 hours. And it's good. And there is Abhi. Abhi, you want to do something?
I am Uhuru.
सुबह सूरज आने के बाद में हमारी बस हो गई थी। हम लोग कैसे तैसे कोशिश कर रहे थे आगे बढ़ने के लिए, बॉडी में बिल्कुल जान नहीं बचा था। बस जैसे कि बोलते हैं पोले पोले हम लोग चले हुए थे, एक स्टेप एक बारी पे रख के। एंड फाइनली हम लोग पहुंच गए स्टेला पॉइंट, जो कि काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है। स्टेला पॉइंट पहुंच के आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाता है, अगर आप चाहो तो यहाँ पे ख़त्म कर सकते हो अपनी जर्नी। पर हमने सोचा हम अहूरू पीक तक जाएंगे। जब हम यहाँ तक पहुँच गए तो अहूरू पीक कौन सी बड़ी बात है, ऐसा हमने सोचा। पर 45 मिनट्स का वॉक टू अहूरू पीक और भी ज़्यादा मुश्किल था। हमें सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, थोड़ा माइग्रेन भी हो रहा था। फाइनली हम लोग पहुँच गए अहूरू पीक और काफ़ी ओवरवेलमिंग एक्सपीरियंस था। विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था कि हम ये कर पाए हैं, क्योंकि सोचने में तो इम्पॉसिबल लगता है। अगर मुझे आज कोई बोले जाने के लिए तो शायद हो ना पाए। बट फाइनली हम लोग पहुंच गए, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था पहुंच के। एक अजीब सा एक्सपीरियंस, अजीब सी फीलिंग आ रही थी। वी फील लाइक वी आर कंप्लीट, लाइक इट्स एवरीथिंग, वी हैव डन समथिंग वेरी बिग इन आवर लाइफ। वी वर सो हैप्पी डांसिंग and looking around and feeling so blessed. So finally we have made it to the gate and we are so happy. We are very overwhelmed because we could do it. The Kilimanjaro, Uhuru Peak. It was an amazing experience. We are fine, fit, healthy, our legs are working and we are still talking. So everything is amazing.
There are few blunders I have done in this truck. So I was thinking, like, normally in beach I wear flip flop. So I was carrying that chappal to this truck. Avoid taking chappals. That is one most important thing.
Chappals means the V-shaped chappal, especially to take a Crocs which is covered from front and open from back.
Yeah,
So it will give you warm also. If you want to go for a washroom, it's super cold. You cannot wear your shoes all the time. So you better to just tuck in and just go, just like that.
Anyway, I was carrying one gold jacket. So I was thinking that should be enough. But no, you need to have a wind cheater, like a thin one. Sometimes because the daytime when you do trekking, you will feel sweaty and it may not be cold. But as
Later in the evening, like it gets very cold, and if you have a lightweight wind cheater, it's easy to carry in your backpack. Because if it's a heavy jacket, you have to carry that all day on your back and walk with that. If it's a lightweight but wind cheater, so you can carry it. It won't give you that much of pain on your back, and in the night, in the evening, when you want to use it, you can just wear it.
So guys, this trek was almost 75 kilometer so we have to complete in 7 days.
You can imagine, like we are going to elevation of 5,800 meters. So
Almost 6,000. Last day was quite tough. It actually almost 9.5 hour trek one side upside and almost 3.5 hours downside.
5 kilometers.
But this 5 kilometer we took almost 9.5 hours to reach there?
Because first of all, you are wearing so many clothes and you are carrying the weight of those clothes. You don't have to carry your backpack last day. You can tell your tour, the guy to carry your backpack. And with the so many clothes, you're walking at night at 12:30 p.m. and it's quite dark. You have your headlights on.
12:30 a.m.
Yeah, 12:30 a.m. and you have your headlights on and you're walking like this, like a turtle, right?
Tortoise. You cannot take a bigger step because you
Because
are
if
already in a
yeah.
higher altitude.
And if you get out of breath, it will be so difficult. They have to give you oxygen and you're already feeling very cold, so you don't have to stop, but you have to keep going, even if it's a pole pole. Pole pole is a Tanzanian language. It means slowly, slowly. So they say always walk pole pole if you want to reach Uhuru Peak, but never stop.
So the trek overall was 75 kilometer, but one of the best trek and most difficult. But I'm sure once you go for it, you will feel amazing if you complete.
Yeah, so if you reach Stella Point also, you can get a certificate. But from Stella to Uhuru Peak is not that far, but it's very difficult because you're already out of breath. It's already high altitude, and it's more 45 minutes of trek. But if you can reach Stella Point, please try to reach Uhuru also, because it gives you another level of satisfaction.
Yeah. So this is a once in a lifetime amazing experience. So Kilimanjaro was one of the longest trek we have done. It's for 7 days and it was 75 kilometer and the altitude was 5,895 meter high.
Almost 6,000.
6,000 meter.
Yeah.
There was so much of cloud we can see down, like how you see from the
And we
flight.
saw some glaciers also.
Yeah.
People who generally trek in July or this kind of month, they are like walking on the snow. But we chose the month like September because we don't want it snow, and we already feel very cold generally also. So that's why we chose those months. But still, it was very cold.
So most important thing is it's all more than physical. It's a mental challenge, and if you have a good tour operator, good supporting team, I'm sure if we can do it, anybody can do it. It's
Yeah,
all about reaching there. It doesn't matter how fast you're reaching
Yeah.
there. We have met people who are already at 65 and all.
They were also doing it.
They have done it.
Remember that once you come and complete this hike, the amount of satisfaction you're gonna feel in your life will be a different level of satisfaction, and you will genuinely feel that you have done something amazing in this life. Even if you don't do anything after this, it's okay. You have made worth of your life by doing this trek.
And one pro tip: once you go there and come back, you find your whatever you have at the moment, you will find it very luxury.
Because you are going to live in a circumstances where
yeah.
you don't have sufficient like a heater, you don't have electricity, you don't have a Wi-Fi, you don't have a comfort, but still every day is amazing experience. So
And-
there's nothing
yeah.
comparison to
And
this
you cannot
experience.
complain. And see, you have to deal with it. It's 7 days in the middle of nowhere. Like you cannot quit and come back in a day. So all the best, guy. Thank,
you so much for watching, and see you soon for the next adventure.